I'm Otti from LTL, and today I'm going to walk you through what is a VPN, why do you need it, what are traditionally the most popular one in China, what alternative can you use, and also I'm going to tell you what is the best VPN that you can use right now. First of all, what is a VPN and why do I need one? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and they work by hiding the IP address, and they allow you to browse the internet privately and freely. In some countries, there are some websites that can be blocked. This is where VPNs come into use. For example, in China, many websites that foreigners use on a daily basis are blocked, like Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and so on. Also, YouTube and many services from Google are blocked too. So this is when you will need a VPN. So what are the most popular VPNs? Traditionally, the most popular VPNs used by foreigners in China have been Express VPN, Astrill, and NordVPN. However, especially in the last 6 months, many users have been experiencing issues with these VPNs, which brings us to what is the best VPN that I can use right now. So here's the news you've all been waiting for. What is the best VPN to use right now? Well, for us, it's LetsVPN. Let's start with the pricing. LetsVPN is free to download and you can have a 1-day free trial to use it first. Then there are 2 different subscription plans, the standard one and the platinum one. The standard one will auto-connect you to any server, while the platinum one will allow you to choose between the region of the VPN, which is pretty useful if you use streaming services like Netflix. You'll be really glad to know that LetsVPN is pretty cheap compared to other VPN services. The cheapest plan offered is just $1.99 US for 1 week. But you can also choose between a monthly plan, 3 months plan, or a yearly plan. If you choose the last one, so the whole year, you're gonna spend less than $40 US for the standard subscription, or less than $54 US for the platinum subscription. And just to emphasize how cheap this is, bear in mind that the yearly subscription with Express VPN would cost you $100 US, while the one with Astrill would cost you $180 US. LetsVPN works on phones, laptops, and tablets. But there is a downside, which is you can only download LetsVPN on 2 devices. LetsVPN has said that things might change in the future, but for now, you're stuck with 2. So where can you download LetsVPN? For iPhone users, you can download it on Apple Store, while for Android, you can download it from Google Play Store, or you can download it as an APK file from Google. Remember, it's always better to download VPNs before arriving to China. You can download them in the country, but it's a bit of a hassle, so we strongly recommend you download it before your trip. In terms of customer support, LetsVPN has an AI chatbot service on the website, but if it doesn't help you, there's always the team member who can answer your question through email. Also, remember to check the FAQ section for all your questions. So a question that we get asked a lot is, are there any alternatives to VPNs? Well, yes. Whilst it's always better to have a VPN prepared before your trip to China, and to also have a backup free VPN just in case, there is always another option. From the experiences of LTL staff and students, many people also purchase international SIMs and eSIMs to access social media like Instagram, Facebook when they are in China without the use of a VPN. But it's really important that you purchase the international SIM or you download the eSIM before you arrive to the country. However, a downside of using international SIMs or eSIMs is that it could be a bit of a hassle when you're changing between SIMs if you have a Chinese number, which is something that we strongly recommend, especially because many apps in China like WeChat or Alipay have services that require the use of a local number. And if you don't know how to use WeChat or Alipay, make sure to check the link in the description below to have a look at our how-to guides. Another drawback of relying only on international SIMs or eSIMs is that every time you're going to be connected to a local Wi-Fi network, you're going to be back behind the firewall, so you will lose access to the censored websites. So for these reasons, we strongly recommend that you download at least one VPN before arriving to China. Okay everyone, I hope you find that useful. Bear in mind that VPNs and their reliability are very much subject to change, so let us know in the comments which VPN works best for you, or if you come across any other alternatives. Bye!